The one you see on your screen is one of the viewing points here on top of the Black Mountain. Actually, this is the second viewing point from the town of Alret. The first viewing point is in front of the Black Mountain Hotel, where I visited the first time I came here 2 years ago. Now, since this is my second time, so I have to be in a different place. Now, this is another viewing point I'm bringing you. You see, there are queues in front of me, and it looks like a park because, of course, this is a viewing point. This is the place where you can enjoy watching and doing the sightseeing, looking at the beautiful sights around here, and feel like standing on top of the world. The first thing that you should expect when you visit the Black Mountain is the strong wind velocity continuously blowing. Probably you hear the sound through the microphone, and it's minimized already because I'm putting a cap on the microphone of my camera. But let me show you around here. Probably you see on your screen the rhapsody of the color, gray color, gradually turning into bluish. So down over there, I think it's the village of Harub. And Black Mountain, if you are wondering how far the Black Mountain is from the city of Jazan, this is more or less 130 kilometers away from the city of Jazan. Good for 2 hours. Enjoying ride. Enjoying because along the way, of course, you will be amazed by the beautiful sights of the landscapes of the mountains, the valleys, and the dry riverbeds. Now, here is my friend. All right, how are you? How do you feel? He is enjoying, of course, one of my new friends here in the province of Jazan. Again, this is the Black Mountain. So guys, just enjoy around. What I'm bringing you are the heights, the slopes, the peaks, and of course, the scenic sights. Now from here, let me show you on the side You see the mountain over there. That's where the location of the Wadi Lajab. And if you remember, we drove our way from Wadi Lajab using the backdoor road, the newly opened road from Wadi Lajab direct to the top of the Black Mountain. Now it's time for us to eat our lunch, and here is our team, and here are my new friends here in the province of Jazan. Akil, 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 Akil. Thank you, thank you.